It's BELKA time! BELKA is the new generation of paint and wallpaper, and it's very simple to use. All you have to do is take a bag of BELKA, easily mix it with water for it to become paste, and simply apply it to your wall. BELKA is your best alternative to paint and wallpaper. BELKA will enable you to create beautiful and stylish designs on your wall. It's applicable on any surface. BELKA will cover all defects on surfaces such as seams and cracks. And best of all, BELKA is natural, it's odorless, it's eco-friendly, and it's made with the most advanced technology known to man. Among many of its features, BELKA is humidity resistant. BELKA is easy to fix, and it can enhance light, heat, and cold insulations. BELKA can help keep the air balanced in your home. Remember, all you have to do is take as much BELKA powder as you need, put it in a container that's big enough to mix with water. Then you mix the powder and the water together until you get a paste, and just apply it on the wall by rubbing it with the BELKA trowel to make and create the best designs of your choice. BELKA colors can be mixed together and bring unlimited colors to your interior design. Remember, donate health, peace, pleasure, and love to your families with BELKA. Think big, because we do.